Rohit worked together for the first time. They did Subha Hone Na De. So when these tunes come and the kacha tunes come, it's very difficult to judge what happens with the song. And I think then Pritam Dada put some stuff in it, and he got this electronic sound which is very current today in hip hop music all over the world. So that all started coming in, and the song just went to another level. And I think when they made Sajid Sir hear it, he has one of the best ears you have in the industry today, and he has this reputation of having, no honestly, he has a reputation of always having hit songs, you know, whether it's been with Dad or whether it's been with Sabir.
We are good can't say.
So I think the team of Rohit, Sajid Sir and Pritam Sir all together has come up with this. Jackie is a fireball.
John didn't dance.
John did the peck dance. He danced with his chest and his bicep. He picks her up. But I got to dance with Jackie, and she's a tremendous dancer. I think she's immensely flexible, immensely professional, and I think the most important thing, she's very happy. उसको कुछ भी करा लो बहुत खुश है वो. But I don't know about the whole issue. But all I can say that I think as an industry we are all against piracy.
I mean, there's a FIR filed, and it's a very shameless act, and it should not be taken as it's come from the censor. They have to find out. It's a criminal offence. We've always, from the last 15 years, said that we should take out this word piracy and put it as a criminal theft. It's a theft. It's not piracy. Piracy makes it sound very cool. It's pirated. It's not pirated. It's theft. It's like it's a proper thief enters in, and it's too dangerous. Already the film. But I feel this film has got a great scope, and now it will do wonders now. We shot it in Morocco. So there's no question of...
It's not a Kripan, it's an Arabic sword which has been used. And we've actually must be having it even in our peti or something so we can show it. And I'm a Punjabi myself. And so is my brother. So we would never do something like that. And I hope if someone is mistaken, it's a misunderstanding, I can say.
No, we have a team of lawyers now. It's become a habit for the last 1 month. There are stories about, like for Houseful, we had 6 people filing a case that it's their stories. And there is critics saying that there is no story in the film. So this is how it happens. So we got a team of lawyers now for these controversies.
नहीं किसी के लिए नहीं कहा, पर मैं डिशुम के लिए कहा हुआ है. ये पिक्चर के लिए मैं डेफिनेटली जान दे सकता हूँ. And because I really believe in it. And जैसे कि इन्होंने पायरेसी का इशू का, so in the film we do play cops, me and John. So we are against this in life also and in the film also. We are there to solve crime. We are there to stand up for the good. So we are playing these good characters that stand up for good things. And I think for any good cause, I would want to stand up and put my life on the line. For any good cause, we try to support. No, he's totally cool with it. So I know Virat. I'm calling him Virat. I know Virat because we are on a team together, the Goa FC in the ISL. So I think when the film was being made also he knew about it, and I sent him the trailer, he saw it and stuff, and he said as long as I'm shown as a good guy, it's cool. And he asked me if he's hitting any people. I said no, no, but he's totally cool.
No, he's got that DNA from his family. His dad, when he made a first film for me, Judwa, it was great music. Then he made Mujhse Shaadi Karogi, great music. He made Desi Boys, and same track is repeating. If you hear the other 2 tracks, you'll be amazed. We've got a great album. There's about 3 to 4.
Definitely देखने मिलेगा. It's a bit early क्योंकि film July 29 को release हो रही है, and we are still in June. And John is shooting for Force. He's coming back on the 21st, and then onwards. And so is Jacqueline coming back on the 23rd. But ये गाना हमें launch करना था, and I really believe in this track, even for the audio and the visual in general. So I think Sajid sir said that we should do something. So we decided to do it with you guys. You know, we've shown you the song before. The public or the Aam Janta can see it, so that you all get a taste of it and get an idea of it. Get inspired from who does really good action. I think we have so many action heroes here today. We have so many homegrown action heroes. I think Tiger is outstanding what he's done in Baghi. There's a sequence that Tom Cruise did in Mission Impossible where he hung off the plane for 6 minutes. So that was tremendous. So I can seek inspiration from that. And then there are so many over here like Hrithik Roshan, Salman Bhai, Akshay Kumar is amazing. So yeah, I get inspired by homegrown talent as well. See, honestly, I can say is that I come from a family that loves cinema, and if you made a good film, it'll work. I feel. I mean, just see Sairat today, what it's done. and just on the basis of being a great film, I saw it that day and I was blown away. And I think if you make a good film, then it will work, nothing else. I think equality among any gender inequality is wrong. And I think we are going through that revolution in our society where women are concerned today. Women are becoming more powerful. They are becoming a more important part of society today. So I'll definitely stand for that. My personal choice is good films. I think I just want to do good cinema, good films that entertain people. It's as simple as that. People can say that अरे ये मासी है, ये मसाला ये वो, but when films work, they work for a reason. Like Sajid sir said also. There's no people make the films work. Very excited about that, and I think because like you asked also that what can we expect from the album. So I'm expecting like I get 2-3 more songs to perform from Dishum over there.
Which one? Dream one or this one?
No, I don't think so. I don't think either of us look like Robert Downey Jr. So, I hope I don't look like that. No, I think it's just the walk. If you're walking, but there's no similarity.
No creative director thinks about the producer. They think about the film. When I was a director, I didn't think about the producer. So they think about the film, and that is why they get hurt when something is cut, which is justified.
वो ये गाने में बहुत मज़ा है. पहले मैं बोल के रखूँ कि रोहित के साथ काम करने में बहुत मज़ा आया. मैं हमेशा ये बिलीव करता हूँ कि कोई भी फिल्म का म्यूज़िक इज़ अबाउट द कोलाबोरेशन विद द डायरेक्टर. और रोहित के साथ मैं पहले देसी बॉयज़ किया हूँ, उसमें भी काफ़ी देसी बॉयज़ टाइटल सॉन्ग्स, सुबह होने ना दे, आज भी क्लब एंथम है. तो रोहित इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू मी, एंड उसके साथ काम करने में बहुत मज़ा आया. एंड ही इज़ अ वेरी म्यूज़िकल गाय. और ये गाना एक्चुअली मेरा बहुत दिन पहले से कंपोज किया हुआ था, और द हुक पार्ट. और रोहित जब ये सुना उसको बहुत अच्छा लगा और बोला कि मेरा सिचुएशन में परफेक्टली फिट होता है. और पहले गाने का लिरिक्स था, 100 तरह के रोग ले लूं, इश्क का मर्ज क्या है, तू कहे तो जान दे दूं, मर जाऊं हर्ज क्या है, ऐसा था. बट उसकी जगह जो ठीक लगे कहने में हर्ज. आजकल का लव ऐसा हो गया, कहने में हर्ज क्या है, तू कहे तो जान दे दूं, कहने में हर्ज क्या है. और कैरेक्टर जुनायद का जो कैरेक्टर है, वो कैरेक्टर फिल्म में भी शूट होता है. ऑफकोर्स वरुण में भी मालूम है, पर आई थिंक वरुण इज अ वेरी सीरियस गाय.